Yo guys, what is up? It's your boy Chimbers here, back with an NFT video for you guys today. Into today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy your own NFT. So step one is going to be creating a Binance account, and then obviously buying Ethereum in that Binance account. Then you're going to be setting up a Metamask wallet. Then you're going to transfer the Ethereum to the Metamask. And then once you've got your MetaMask connected with your OpenSea, you can buy an NFT. Sounds crazy, but let's just get into it. So first off, you're just going to want to search up Binance, and make sure you have the official link, binance.com. You go over here, and then at the top right, if you're on PC, it will be to register. I'm already logged in at the moment. It will come at the top right to register. You just want to go ahead and click that. Once you've registered, obviously you have to put your email in, your password. There's quite a lot of authentications for it, so obviously you're going to need to put in your email. You're going to have your phone verifications. You're also going to have to have proof of address, maybe put on your ID, and then after a couple of minutes you'll have your Binance account. So basically, like I just said, you go over to Binance. It will say at the top right to register. You click register. The process is really easy, and then once you've created the Binance account, you move on to step two. So to actually get pounds or dollars into your Binance account, all you're going to want to do is go to your wallet at the top right here. You go to fiat and spot, and then you can deposit whatever currency you are using with your actual bank. So you go to the top right, click deposit, and then you can choose what currency you're going to be using. You can just search it up. You can do Great British Pound, which I'm going to do, and then obviously you click continue to connect to your bank, and then it will come up with a page, and you can basically connect your bank account with your Binance account, and then it will show you the process of how to do it. It's super easy once you're actually on the page, and then you'll send your money straight over. So once you then have followed the instructions of how to actually get money into your Binance account, it's super easy. Obviously, you go to the page that I just showed you, and then it will just say a little step after that of depositing the money, and you're sorted. Then obviously the money, once it has gone through, you should see it here, Great British Pounds. I mean, obviously I've already used it all, one broke what. Yeah, so that'll be already in there, and then you will go back to the home page on Binance. You'll scroll down to Ethereum. Obviously, make sure that the Ethereum is used with Great British Pounds. Obviously, here it says BUSD, so you actually have to have BUSD currency to buy this Ethereum. But you can go and find the one Ethereum where it's Great British Pounds. And then, so when you're on the ETH, you go over to the market. You click the market here, and then obviously the price is already at the market. You put in how much BUSD or dollars or pounds that you've got in. You can obviously click this here to put the max that I've actually got, and then all you gotta do is click buy ETH. So then once you have clicked that and you have bought it, you go back to your wallet. You check how much ETH you've got in the in your account. So you've got your Ethereum here, and then obviously it will say that you bought it, and then this is how much it is equivalent to whatever currency you're using. So just a quick recap. So you've gone on Binance, you've clicked register, come up with a page, you put in your email password, you've created the account. Obviously you've done the verification steps with your email and your phone number. You've obviously put off the proof of the address, so you put your ID on there. Take a couple minutes to actually verify, and then you've sorted. You've gone ahead and deposited whatever currency you're using, which is clicked to your bank. Could be Lloyd's or whatever, and then you go ahead and you buy ETH, and then you look at the top whatever currency you're using. If it says ETH Great British Pounds, then you've got the right one if you're using UK money. If you've got obviously dollars, then it will say that as well, and then you go ahead and buy. If you actually click on the wrong one, it won't actually go through anyway. So if it don't go through, you know you've got the wrong one. So you got ahead, you bought your ETH, now you're going on to Metamask. So you search up Metamask. The official link is metamask.io. It'll be the first one that will pop up when it's MetaMask. You go ahead and click download. I've obviously already downloaded it. Then it will tell you to go to your extensions on Chrome. You go in there and you add it. Have I got it on here? No. And then you have a secret backup phase, which looks something like this, and then it will just tell you the steps. It's super easy. Once you've actually clicked download, you've added to your Chrome. You follow the steps, you get given a phrase, and then obviously you put in your own password. Do not share your phrase with absolutely anyone. That's why I'm not going my MetaMask right now. But yeah, so do not share your phrase with anyone. So you get given a phrase, you make sure you save that like they said, write it down on a piece of paper or put it in your notes. I mean, I wouldn't really recommend putting it in your notes. Put it on a piece of paper and put it in a safe place in your house. And then obviously you can then deposit money, and we're going to get into that right now. So obviously once you have created the MetaMask account, it will pop up on the top right here with your little MetaMask. You can click it and you're already logged in. So basically it will just show you your money here, how much you've got in, and for you to actually get Ethereum into your MetaMask, this is how you're going to do it. So you're going to go to this page, so I'll actually go back for you. So you want to go to your main wallet, you go fiat and spot, and then obviously you go down to your Ethereum, you click withdraw on the Ethereum because you want to use the coin Ethereum, and then you put in your address. So the address, to get that, you've created your Metamask account. All you're going to want to do is click on the account here, copy to clipboard. You basically go ahead and you paste that in. So that is your address for your Metamask. So you want to actually go to that address. You're sending money to that address. The network you're doing is well, you want to use Ethereum, the Ethereum smart chain. So you click on that. Obviously we're sending Ethereum, we want that one, and then you put in however much you want of Ethereum. So if I click in max, then obviously that's the max Ethereum that I've got, or you can just do like 0.1, or you could just type in 1 if you've got enough. The fee here is 0.005, which is about $25 to actually send it to your MetaMask. And then once you have actually clicked and you're going to send it, it will come at the bottom here with recent withdrawals. So you would look at this, and then it will say like processing, and it will keep you up to date, and then it will say complete when it actually has arrived. You go over, check your MetaMask, click on it, and there'll be money in there. So just another quick recap: we've set up a Binance account. We've obviously gone through the process. Yeah. We've then obviously bought Ethereum, whichever currency you're using. Make sure it's on market price, or if you want to set it your own, but it's just a simple way you buy it on market price. You put in how much you want to buy, and then obviously you click buy. It goes into your account. Then you set up your MetaMask. You download it, add it to your Chrome or whatever browser you're using. You get given your secret phrase. Don't share that with anyone. You get your money into your account by obviously clicking your address here, which you can easily copy to clipboard, and then obviously you paste that in where it says address here. You make sure your coin's Ethereum. Obviously your network is Ethereum as well. You put in how much you want, and then obviously here it will say withdraw. You look down here and it will say the processing of it. If it's complete, you go to your MetaMask, you check, your money should be in there, and at the bottom here, activity, will say how much you have sent, and then there you go. Once you go onto OpenSea, all you're going to want to do is you go to the main page. So if I just go to main page on OpenSea, you click the top right, and it will go to profile, and it will say, well, we'll log out right now. We'll go to profile and connect whatever we want. We'll connect our MetaMask, and then it will come up with verification. Do you want to sign in with your MetaMask with OpenSea? Yes, you do. You click on it and you sign in. So basically, just click it, and then it goes to your page where I've already just recently logged in. So it goes straight in. Obviously, once you have put in your password, and then you're in, and then you're on OpenSea. So now that you're on OpenSea, obviously you can go to explore. You can have a look at what you want. You can look at all types of NFTs. I'm just going to go all NFTs right here. So it just gives you, look how many items there are to buy right now. You can sort by whatever you want. You could, let's just say, price low to high. We can even get ones that are free. So obviously you would click on it and you can just buy exactly what you want. So yeah, here we go. I just wanted to put a little filter on there, so like we don't get free ones that are just a bit weird. You can look at whatever you want. So obviously this, you could just go to this NFT. You can have bids on them, so you can either place bids, or you can actually go to like a random project, which is like this. And then I'm just going to go and look at the floor price. You can go over and you can click buy now. You've got your money in your MetaMask, and you legit just click buy now, and you've bought an NFT. You have your own NFT. You go to your profile and you see which ones you've collected. So I hope that was somewhat quick and easy. I tried to explain everything I could without actually going through the process and that taking time. So it might sound like you got a little bit lost with actually registering on these websites, but once you're actually on there, it's so easy and it already tells you what to do. So I didn't feel like I really need to go through that. So hopefully this does help, and you now actually understand and grasp the idea of how to actually buy an NFT. Once you've got everything set up, it's so easy. You just go on OpenSea, which is like a middleman, such as like eBay. You go on, you buy your NFT, and you've got it. But obviously when buying NFTs, you need to use Ethereum. That is like just the main digital currency that is used right now. So if you do want me to go more in depth of actually how to buy an NFT and you're still somewhat struggling, ask me in the comments. I'm more than happy to help. Message me on my Instagram or Twitter. I'm more than happy to help as well. But hopefully you kind of got an idea of actually how to buy. And if you want any more videos of NFTs or anything like that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.